Glow plugs are an essential part of all modern diesel engines. They preheat the combustion chamber to help ignite the fuel, which is especially needed in cold weather. Without them, the engine may not be able to start and will likely run very rough if it does start. Today, we're going to be talking about the glow plug controller, which is responsible for sending power to each of your glow plugs. This is the glow plug control module for an LLY Duramax. These modules can completely fail, leaving you unable to start your engine or dealing with performance issues and reduced efficiency. The most common signs of a failure include a loss of power to the glow plugs or code P0670 glow plug control module circuit open. This will usually manifest as rough starting or the engine not starting at all. Unfortunately, replacement modules are no longer available. Some companies have developed an aftermarket solution, but these are extremely unreliable and experience a lot of incompatibility issues, often causing more error codes. Because of this, we offer an affordable service to remanufacture the module, completely upgrading it to function better than new. We rebuild the original glow plug controllers to address the root cause of the failure and prevent any more problems down the road. Simply place your order and we'll ship out a fully remanufactured unit on the same day. When you receive the module, simply plug it in and you're all set. No programming required. Place your original in the same box and ship it back to us. Your glow plug controller will be backed by a 1-year warranty and world-class customer support. If you're ready to get back on the road, visit our website at circuitboardmedics.com or give us a call at 800-547-2049. We look forward to serving you.